Hello everybody, this is Ray Albert back at you with another video, and we're going to continue with organically ranking our website. Now when you rank a website, and people come to the home page or the landing page that you present to them when they click on the search results, you want to keep them activated, right? So I've found a creative way to do this. And I know there are some websites doing this, but I haven't seen a lot of it done. So I'm just going to show you a technique that I have just discovered, and I'm going to share it with you because it's pretty freaking cool if you're seeing what I'm seeing right now, okay? And it's very easy to do. So let's get to it. So I'm skipping from the back end this time just to have a little bit of fun, and because we all need fun, we just don't need boring technical stuff, right? So how did I do this? Now this is my website. This is the site that we're building. As you can see, rankbrain.com here. And this is the homepage. This is where people are going to land when they first come to the homepage. And if this doesn't capture your attention, I don't know what will. And so how did I do this? Well, you need Divi to do this, and maybe other page builder platforms can do this as well, but I'm doing this in Divi. As you can see, the logo's up here, which I'm going to change my logo as soon as I figure out what it's going to be. That's one of the first things that you should do, is get images for your website and create a logo. And we'll get into all that and some other videos, and you're going to think, well, this is a really long process, and it is. In order to rank your website, and you're going to do it fairly quickly. I think maybe you can do it within like 120 days, and that's what I'm trying to do here. Is I'm going to try to rank this website in 120 days, and I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. Now, how did I do this? Well, there's a site called Giphy, and it's giphy.com. Now it's easy to create an account here because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and so I created the account. And what I did was, as you can see up here in the search, I searched for RankBrain. So I scroll down and see this is the one that I seen. It's like, wow, man, this is really cool. So I clicked on that. Now, when you click on that, you're going to get other suggestions from other things. So, I mean, you could, do something like this, something like this, something like this. Well, not that. But these are GIFs, and people are into GIFs, and I like this one. So what I did was I copied the link. Now I got the link. It's called the GIF link, and you right mouse click and you copy that link. Okay. Then what you do is you're going to go back in here, and in your website up here you're going to have this little cogwheel here, and what this does is it actually well, first let me show you what it looks like in the wire. Okay, this is the wire. This is how the website is designed. So this is what you call a section. Okay, so this is the header section here, and here's a services section down here. Here's the get started section. Here's a testimonial section. So they're all sections. And so when you click on the cog here, you're going to go to the background. Now this is the background section, and this is where you can add in. So if I delete this right here, you're going to see there's nothing there. If I go back to the website, see, it's gone. All you see is the background color, which is that. Okay, and you can have that if you want to, and you can like put other pictures there that can kind of influence this. If I go to the pictures and I select a picture, and this is the picture that was originally there, so you can't see it right here. So I go back there and I upload the picture, you can see it look like the original website. But what you do is you go back to the picture and you go insert from URL, and you put the URL that you got from the GIF. So there it is right there. And then when you insert it into your post, there you go. Now if that isn't going to capture somebody's attention, I don't know what will. Okay, and now you want to, you can edit these things right here. So now I got ahead of myself. I just thought it was so cool to show you guys how you can be creative on your web designs. So now I want to go back and I want to edit. First I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to edit the page, go back to edit the page. I'm going to save the settings that we got here because I like this animation. Okay, now we're back to where we were, right? And as you can see, we had created our SEO title here. We got our URL string right here, how to grow your website organically. And then when you created your meta description, you got your keywords inside your meta description. So that's the basic SEO, is having your keyword in your permalink up here, in your SEO title, and in your meta description. Okay, that's the three biggies right there. Then, as I told you before, we have this schema markup plugin, which is called Rich Snippets, configured rich snippets. And what it's going to do is it's going to tell Google what your page is all about in more detail. And so, you know, you can click on any of these. If it's an article, it's going to give you certain things to fill out. If it's a product, it's going to give you certain things to fill out. But I'm going to say mine is a service. And so you want to upload an image here, approximately 300 by 300. And then you want it to display whatever you're trying to do here. So I'm back into my images here. It really doesn't have anything that... okay, well, I'm going to just do this one. And now, again, we're talking about SEO. And so all your pictures, all your images have to have alt text. So what is this image about? Well, this is an image about schema markup. Okay, so you want to have an alt tag there. Okay, so there it is. Service type, and the type of service I'm providing is website building. Website building. And the service area is USA. I'll just put USA. Short description. This site will help. Oh, this is a description I wrote. The site will help you build a website and show you how to grow your website organically within 120 days. Okay. Nutmeg Digital Marketing is the provider name. And the location, I'm not going to put my location in there. And provide a location, I'm not going to do that. And phone number, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so I'm done with the rich snippets, and this is all you need to do. Okay, so now that we're done with that, so basically we're done with the back side here. Now we're going to learn about building out your web page. Okay, so if you're a local business, or you're a affiliate of some kind, or you have an e-commerce business or something, you can start out with this one page. Okay, and this is basic SEO 101 to get this one page, at least to get to rank for something. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to go back to the page. So I'm going to update what I got here so far. Don't forget to update. And then we're going to go back to the page, and we're going to edit it with Divi Builder. Okay, so now we have our web page. Now we want to edit this title right here. Okay, now if you click on this, you can see that that's an H3 tag, which that's okay. You need H1s, H2s, and H3s. The H1 is going to be right here. You have one H1 tag on your website. When you build pages, one H1 tag for each page, or if you build blog posts, one H1 tag for each blog post. So for this, I'm going to just put the name of the website here, which is Rank Brain SEO, right? And so now in the H1 tag, you want to put your keyword in there. Very important to put your keyword in the H1 tag. So in the H1 tag, I'm going to put learn how to build your website organically. So there we go. And as you can see, this right here is an H1 tag. It shows it right there, H1. Okay. Now, if you wanted to change anything in this, you could go to this design, but I'm not going to do that right now. We'll probably do that down the line somewhere. So now this is the tag here. This is going to be, you know, the description tag, you know, the short, really, the elevator pitch, you might say, for your website. Okay. So you got their attention right here. What are they going to do? They're going to read the title. Learn how to grow your website organically, right? Rank Brain SEO. If anybody knows anything about Google, they heard about Rank Brain, okay? So what I'm going to do is we're going to edit this short description. And as you can see, that short description is just a paragraph. And so what are we going to do for a short description? So the short description is learn how to build. This is our tagline. Very short and sweet. And so you can put in here, now this is the button. So you edit the button. And the button is going to say our work. And you can make the button, you can point the button to anywhere you want to. So if this is going to be a website that's about teaching, like I'm trying to teach right here, I might show them to my e-business learning center. So let me just do that real quick. I'm just going to put the button start here. Okay, that's a good one. Start here. And in the link, I'm just going to put the link to my website. HTTPS. Don't forget HTTPS. And I'm going to put nutmeg. Okay, and I'm going to make sure it's going to load up in a new tab. That way they're not taken away from this web page. In case they bounce from the other one, they're going to come back here. Okay, so we're going to save that. So now in the short video, I've showed you how to creatively make your landing page eye-catching and intriguing. I've showed you how to put your organic keywords, put your keyword phrase that you're targeting, the main keyword, into your H1 tag, into your header, and to also put up here the tagline of your website, and you know what it's all about in a short, sweet manner, and a way for them to take action. That's what this whole thing, that's what you want them to do. And as they scroll down, and we're going to work on this too, but as they scroll down, you're going to give them more and more and more reasons to want to click that button. And you're going to have buttons all over the place for them to click. So every place here is going to be clickable. You're even going to make these clickable. You're going to make all of this clickable. So everything is going to be clickable. And you are going to make this a lead generating machine. And this is what you want to do as a local business, and this is what you want to do as an e-commerce site. You know, if I was a local pizza person, I might put a gift here of somebody delivering a pizza that's tripping over themselves, or maybe somebody that's making a pizza and, you know, going up and twirling it and it falls in their face. Something like that, you know, something that's going to give people, when they go to the website, it's going to catch their attention just like that. So if you like the content that I'm putting out here, come on, go down there and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ting that icon bell so you're notified every time I come out with a new video. And just give me a thumbs up, man, okay? This is like a vote on Facebook and all that. Just give me a thumbs up, all right? I'll see you in the next video.